Hey guys, this is your host Irfan Nasser, and today in this video I will show you how you can fix the issue that if your Microsoft account cannot be logged in and it says something went wrong and try again with different device. As you can see on the screen that I cannot log into my account, and when I click on this link it shows different reasons, different solutions to your problem that you can solve. But the solution that worked for me was actually to connect to another Wi-Fi network. So I was connected to my home broadband network. So what I did was I opened the Wi-Fi settings on my Windows PC, and I then connected to the Wi-Fi hotspot from my iPhone. So when I connected to the Wi-Fi hotspot and when I went back to Microsoft Live, as you can see on the screen, now I will log in again from the same browser. Now you can see it's taking a while to load up. So when I log into my account, as you can see that when I click on sign in, it loads up and then it is now ready to go. So this is how you can fix this issue. You just have to connect to a different Wi-Fi network, or you just have to connect to your mobile hotspot if you are connected to the broadband, and by that way you can easily resolve the issue that you are facing, that you cannot log into your Microsoft account. So that's pretty much it. Hope you guys like this video, and if you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content. As always, peace out.